Oh, wow. I can see myself getting hooked on these.
So here we can see we got the full kit. So that's got the lashes, it's got the bond and seal product that's going to help the lashes stick, and then it's got the actual tool. So as far as I know, you can actually buy just the lashes, but this whole kit cost me £25 from Superdrug. But I know you can get the lashes on their own for when you need a refill from Amazon.
Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a quick video. It's New Year's Eve. I'm really excited because I'm going to be having some drinks tonight and finally getting to see out this year. And I actually just can't wait for it. I'm so ready for 2021. But today I'm going to be showing you how to apply the Falscara set from Kiss, which I don't know if you would have seen it, but there's a brand on Instagram called Lashify, and they do a really similar product, but it's really quite expensive and it's not that easily accessible in the UK as well. As far as I know, you do need to order it from the States. And just the way things are going at the moment, it's just like, well, let's just keep it simple. UK based, or at least I can buy it in the UK. Bought it from Superdrug as well, so not exactly hard to track down. And it's by Kiss, which is a brand that I'm really familiar with. I've used loads of their strip lashes and their glue products as well, so I trust the brand. And just while I'm opening this, I'm just going to take a second to ask you to hit the subscribe button. This is what this channel is all about. Lots of like little beauty things, little fashion tips, skincare tips, fitness, wellness, all that sort of stuff. So if you like that sort of thing, hit the subscribe button and let's get into this. Right, now obviously I've applied strip lashes loads of times, and I also do lashes on other people as well. So as far as I know, these are going to give me the appearance of lash extensions. And I think because it comes in the little clumps, then it makes it a little bit more customizable. So you can do it exactly how you want it. They're not tapered at all. So like, for example, the inner lash and the outer lash is the same length. And obviously we wouldn't usually do it that way. That's a bit weird. Anyway. Sitting here laying the lashes out in the same order that they came in the pack. But as I said, they all look exactly the same. So I don't think it really matters if I put them, what order I put the individual pieces on, left to right. And I don't think it matters what eye it goes on either. Oh. Right, so I'm going to take the Falscara Bond and Seal product. Oh, yeah. Yes, you need to put these underneath your lash line. Oh, this is going to be funny. I've never tried to do anything like this. Ooh. Right. So the first step is to brush a light coat of Bond onto the natural lashes. Apparently a little goes a long way. Okay, and then I'm going to put one wisp at a time underneath my natural lash line. That actually went on really easily. I thought it was going to be really quite weird putting it underneath my lash line, but that actually just went on perfectly. And what's really good is that once you've got that coat of Bond on your lashes, you don't seem to have to be that precise with where you put it, because the glue, in a way, it's sort of like, it's really quite, it clings to the product, but it's also quite flexible, so you could move it if you needed to. And just where I'm actually running out of space now, what I'm going to do is actually lap these last three over. So what that's going to do is it's going to give me a little bit more volume right towards the outer corner, which is going to draw it outwards. Okay. You know when you find a game changer? Okay. Right, so now I need to get the lashes in between there. Just give it a squeeze, so it's just gonna like seal that lash band. They look amazing though. Hey, oh no. Uh-oh. Okay. Maybe I went too close to the glue. I thought it was gonna pull it off then, but it didn't, thank God. Okay. And so now I'm just going to seal, oh. Just gonna seal that. Okay, so yeah. It's gonna take a couple of practice goes. But I think for a first attempt, that was pretty easy to put those on. And I think they look really good. Can you look at the difference it makes from one eye to the other? That is crazy. That is the power of lashes. No, that's nice. That's real nice. So now I'm going to go ahead and repeat this on the other side. This side's probably not going to be as pretty because it's always the same when I apply lashes. For some reason, it's the opposite eye to your working hand that goes well. I'm just going to do this off camera and then I'll show you the finished result at the end. I actually love these. Okay, so that is the finished look. And I think with like when you got lashes this big, you don't necessarily need to go, well, each to their own, but I don't like to go too heavy and just let the lashes speak for themselves. And I think they do that just fine. Look at that. That's literally just a little bit of brown, like a ready brown to contour the crease and a winged liner. And yeah, I think the lashes just pulled that together gorgeously. Yeah, and I really just love the fact that you can't see anything from the top. I have to look back at this, of course, but yeah, I would imagine you can't see much from the top. As you can see, they look like eyelash extensions. They don't look like strips. I just think they look so flawless. But the only thing I'll say is on this side, because I don't work so well on this side of my face, so I knew that eye wasn't going to go as well as the other one. But what I've done is I put the lash band a little bit too close to my actual eyeball, so it's already starting to irritate me a little bit. My eye's starting to get like a little bit red and watery, so I think I'm gonna have to undo that, unfortunately, because I did actually already put on the seal. So I'm gonna have to completely take that off and then just reapply it, because by the end of the night that's gonna be like really irritating. But yeah, so that is it for today. That is actually it for the year now. I'm actually quite happy to see the back of this year. It's just been a really difficult year, but to be honest, there's been some amazing lessons from it as well. Yeah, so I've never been a fan of sort of like trying to wish time away, but I, for one, I am very much looking forward to 2021. If you've been watching my videos for a while, thank you so much for your support, or even if you're new, thank you for your support. I'm so happy with the way the channel's going, no matter how small it might seem. I really enjoy it, and to be honest, it's probably been my highlight of 2020 is setting up my YouTube channel. So yeah, super grateful, and let's just keep our fingers crossed and pray that 2021 is going to bring many more amazing things, and abundance and joy and prosperity and all those good things. So yeah, that is what my focus is for the rest of 2020, keeping positive thoughts in my mind and carrying that into 2021. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next year.